I welcome you for working with Microsoft Word. If your system is already installed with Microsoft Office, then you can find the Microsoft Word, or you can launch Microsoft Word by clicking the Start menu and All Programs, then Microsoft Office, and from there you can select Microsoft Word 2007, because the version with which we are going to work is Microsoft Office Word 2007, or else you can even find in the Start menu itself, or in some cases you may have a shortcut icon to Microsoft Office Word 2007 like this on the desktop of your computer. If you do have a shortcut icon like this, you can double click the icon. When you double click the icon, the Microsoft Word window will get open to you. And here you can see a round button at the top left corner of the window, and this button is called as Office button. When you keep the mouse pointer on the Office button, it says click here to open, save or print, and to see everything else you can do with the document. So when I click it, it gives a list of menu items, it's a list of tasks. For example, if at all I wanted to open a new file, I can make use of the tab here, or else the shortcut key Ctrl+N. I can open an already existing document by clicking this tab. I can save the current document with the help of clicking this tab, or else with the help of the shortcut key Ctrl+S. Then next to the Office button you have a small bar, and this bar is called as Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar. As the name implies, the icons present here can be quickly accessed. By default, this Quick Access Toolbar does have only 3 icons, one for saving, and another for undoing, and another for repeating. Now you can customize this Quick Access Toolbar by Customize Quick Access Toolbar icon. When you press it, it gives you a list of items that can be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If at all I wanted to add Print Preview icon to my Quick Access Toolbar, I can just click it. When I click it, what happens? The Print Preview icon is added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If I wanted to remove it, I am going again for Customize Quick Access Toolbar and then clicking it again. So it is getting deleted from my Quick Access Toolbar. Like this, I can add and delete items from the Quick Access Toolbar with the help of the Customize Quick Access Toolbar option given here. And the entire bar is called as the title bar. The first strip is called as the title bar, and here, as the name implies, it gives the name of the document with which we are working. The name of the document is Document 1 by default. Whenever you open the Word application, the Word will open a document, and by default it names it as Document 1, and it is followed by the name of the Microsoft Office application. The name of the Microsoft Office application is Microsoft Word. Then it is followed by 3 buttons, namely Minimize, Restore or Maximize, and Close. When you click the Minimize button here, what happens now? The word application will get minimized to the taskbar. And now if at all you wanted to open it back, you just click it again, it will get open to you. And the next button is called now it as restore down. When I click it, when I click the restore button, the display is restored and it occupies only a portion of the screen in my computer. And now the button is renamed as maximize with only one square icon there. When I click it, it changes into restore button and occupies the entire screen of my computer. Now the name of the button is restore button, and the restore button is different from maximize button, and here the icon is having two squares overlapping with each other. And the third button is close button. When I close it, what happens? No, the the word application will get closed. Now I click it. What happens? No, it is asking me whether to save changes to document 1 or not. I don't want to quit it now, so let me give cancel at present. So it has been cancelled. Next to the title bar, we have the menu bar. This is called the menu bar. Here you have different tabs, namely home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. And when I click the tabs, accordingly the ribbon changes. Page layout ribbon, references ribbon it is, mailings ribbon it is, review ribbon it is, home ribbon it is. And under the home we have subtask. Suppose if at all I wanted to work with the font, I can see a group of font tasks in this tab. So like this, each and every ribbon is dealing with its own subtask. Next to the ribbon, we have a ruler. Actually, surrounding the document area or document view, this is called document view or document area. Document view or area. Surrounding this document view or area, we have two scroll bars. Two rulers. RULERS. Two rulers. One is the horizontal ruler and another one is the vertical ruler. With the help of the rulers, I can change the margins. This is for changing the left margin, and this is for changing the right margin, and this is for changing the top margin, and this is for changing the bottom margin. So whenever I wanted to change the margin setup, what I can simply do is I can simply place the cursor over the marginators. When I place the cursor over the marginators, the cursor started to change into double-headed arrow. The cursor is a double-headed arrow one now. Then what I can do is simply press it and drag towards right or left in order to change the margins accordingly. Now if I change the left margin to this place, then what happens? No, the left margin is changed to the new setting. And if I keep the cursor here, it again changes into double-headed arrow, and this is also called as resizing handle. The double-headed arrow is also called as resizing handle, and I can drag it down or up in order to change the top margin. You see, I am changing now. The top margin was also accordingly changed, and like this I can change the bottom margin also with the help of the resizing handle. Double-headed arrow. I will write the name resizing handle. Resizing handle or double-headed arrow. With the help of this arrow only, it is possible for us to make use. Don't think that it is only possible by doing it manually. It is also possible for us to set the margins with the help of the page layout. Here page layout. When you click page layout, you have a tab namely margins. When you click it, it gives a list of margin styles, or else if at all you wanted to customize your own margin, click it and then customize it. We'll see these things later. And then next one is, next to the rulers we have two scroll bars. One is the vertical scroll bar and another one is the horizontal scroll bar. One is the vertical scroll bar. Here I'll write this vertical and horizontal scroll bars here. Vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Horizontal scroll bars. Horizontal scroll bars. Now, by dragging the tab in the vertical scroll bar, you can move the page up or down in the document, or else you can make use of the arrows in the vertical scroll bar to scroll down or up the page, or else you can make use of the previous page control or else the next page control to make you move to the previous page or to the next page accordingly. And then the horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll left to right, used to scroll the document left to right by simply dragging it, or else by clicking the arrows at the either side of this edge. Then next to the horizontal bar, you have a bar namely status bar, and this status bar indicates various state indicators of the document. For example, it says how many pages are there. Only one page is there in our document at present, so it gives this is the page number 1 of 1, the total number of pages, and where we are in the first page. How many words are there? There are 15 words, and next to it gives the different layouts. Now at present we are in the print layout. If at all you wanted to have this full screen reading, you can just like that click it. It is a full screen reading, and page 1 of 1, screen 1 of 1, screen 2 1 of 2, and so many things you will get. View options, different view options are there, and you can close it and come back to print layout, and you can have other layouts namely web layouts, the outline layout or draft. Next one, you can have the zoom level. You have the zoom level of the document. If at all you wanted to change the zoom level of the document, you can simply drag this arrow left or right. Accordingly, it will zoom down or zoom up. Normally, you try to have it in a 100% zoom level so that it fit to the screen well. So, with this, I can conclude that you would have understood what is the opening screen and what are the components of the opening screen of Microsoft Word application. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.